Hi everyone, Cheers here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, today's video I am gonna show you my secrets for how to prep your skin before makeup. So I feel like it's the most important thing, especially when you want to have a flawless skin, flawless makeup that will hold for you for all day. So guys, just before we start, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, ring on the button so you make sure not to miss any of my content. Guys, always before you do your makeup, just make sure that you clean your face properly with a cleanser. And then what you can do, you can actually use a toner. You can use a toner. I'm using the Tonic Comfort. I'm gonna go with the cotton rounds and I'm just gonna go and take a little bit, just a bit of amount. I'm not gonna use too much. Whenever I'm doing makeup, the first thing that I do, I'm actually using the lip balm. This one is a Bobbi Brown lip balm right here. So I feel like it's very important to also use a lip balm before you do your makeup. So that way when you do your lips, so your lips are not dry and it's actually applied on your lips really well, and it's also conditioning them, so like why not? Alrighty, so the next thing I'm about to use, I'm gonna use the Jennifer. So this one is a serum right here of Lancome. Now you don't have to use a serum if you have a face oil, do the work still, but I feel like this one gives my skin so much of hydration, so I'm using it besides the prepping for the makeup. I'm using it before I'm going to sleep, before I'm applying the moisturizer. But this one is really good as well. The most important thing to give your skin before you do your makeup is to give your skin hydration. Hydration is a water to the skin. If you don't give hydration to the skin, the whole process, it's not gonna look the same. I am also using a serum besides the Jennifer. I am gonna use the Hyaluronic Moisture Boost serum right here. So this one is a serum that's based in hyaluronic acid oil, and this one I actually got from Trader Joe's, and I think that was like about 10 or 20 bucks. I don't even remember, but that was like super cheap. Hyaluronic acid is a water to the skin. It's really important. It gives the skin so much hydration. I'm just gonna go and give my skin about 2 drops and apply it on the skin. Make sure that everything you put on your face, you put on your neck as well. The moisturizer that I'm gonna use the Benefit Multivital. That moisturizer that has SPF 27. It's really important to use sun-protecting for your skin, and I'll tell you why. I know that during this time we don't really go too much out of the house, even though I feel like I can smell the hand. The coronavirus is about to end finally, I hope. I feel like it's really important to use a sun protective for your skin. So you actually protect your skin from any sun damage, as dark circles, as dark spots, and sunspots. So that's really important to use a moisturizer that has already SPF or just SPF. I like to use a moisturizer that are already built in with the SPF, so that actually just 2-in-1 for me, so I don't have to get 2 products. Just gonna go. So currently I'm not using any eye cream, but to be honest, I do have a replacement. I'm gonna use the Win9 Advanced Prep Work. This one is a bone eye patches. It also makes my eyes look much more fresh. So like if you feel like you didn't sleep really well night, so that's a really good product right here. So I'm just gonna go with the spatula and apply it like that. Oh. And apply from the big to the thin, like this side, and I'm just gonna go and apply it under my eyes. Now I'm gonna leave it on my skin for about 20 minutes, but this one is just an amazing product. I feel like it makes my eye contour much more fresh. My eye contour doesn't look tired. I am using it most of the time when I'm doing my makeup. Your makeup to be really glam, really glow. You can actually use also a sheet mask that you can buy from department stores, You buy the bougie one, the really expensive one from Sephora, you can too. I don't feel like I really have to use a sheet mask on my face before I'm using makeup. After the hydration that I put on my skin, I don't feel like my skin needs it for now. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it on for like about 20 minutes. I'm gonna do my eye makeup and I will be right back. So after I removed my eye patches and I did my eye makeup, I'm just gonna go and blend the product that I have under my eyes. And now it's time to prime the skin. Usually I am using just a regular primer, but today I decided to take it to a whole new level. So I am gonna use the strobe cream. This one, it gives your skin so much glow instantly. I'm just gonna go and take this flat brush right here. This one is a foundation brush. It gives my skin instantly glow. That you basically, what you can do, you can also mix it with the foundation, or you can use it before the foundation, or you can use it just like that. You can use it actually on the chest as well to give yourself some glow. Just letting you know guys, you don't have to use a strobe cream or anything like that that give you instantly glow. If you don't want it to look too glowy, you can actually use your favorite primer and you're good to go. So after I prep my skin in the right way, now it's time to give my skin a little bit of makeup and to glam up a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna do my makeup and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so 30 minutes after I'm done with makeup. So I really hope that I helped you guys and that you like the video. Just before you go, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, link on the bottom right here so you make sure not to miss any of my content. Thank you so much for watching me and I will see you next video. Bye bye.